Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of premium cookware with the Legend Cookware 3-ply stainless steel pots and pans set, an 11-piece collection that promises chef-quality performance and durability. This set includes everything you need for a versatile kitchen experience: a 6-quart Dutch oven, 3-quart and 1.5-quart saucepans, a 3.5-quart sauté pan, 10-inch and 8-inch fry pans, and a 2-piece steamer set, all featuring tempered glass lids with wide rims for a secure fit. Crafted with multiply cladding technology, each piece combines 304 stainless steel for safe, easy clean cooking, a thick aluminum core for even heating, and 430 stainless steel for compatibility with all cooktops, including induction. The cookware is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven for true one-pot meal cooking, while the built-in draining holes and molded pour spouts make it easy to handle sauces and pasta. Cleaning is a breeze with this dishwasher-safe set, but for maintaining the interior measurement lines, hand washing is recommended, and a quick polish with water and mild acid like vinegar or lemon juice keeps your cookware looking pristine. Whether you're using electric, gas, glass, or induction cooktops, the Legend Cookware set is designed to handle anything and everything, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.